Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start by exporting your trade data from Tradovate. Log into your Tradovate account and navigate to Reports, then Account Statements. From here, export your trade report as a CSV file. This file contains all your trading activity, including profits, losses, and other key details. Next, log into Tradify. Go to Expenses, Income, or Invoices section, depending on how you want to record your trades. You can manually upload the CSV file or enter the trade profit and loss data directly. Make sure to categorize each entry correctly as trading income or expense. This method works well for basic bookkeeping, though it isn't automatic, so you'll need to update it each time you trade. For those looking for automation, Tradify can be connected to Tradovate through Zapier. To do this, create a Zapier account and connect Tradify to it. Then, use Tradovate webhooks or email triggers to send trade data directly to Tradify automatically. Note that Tradovate doesn't have native Zapier integration, so you may need to set up webhooks or use API connections to make this work smoothly. Many trader prefers using an intermediary account software like QuickBooks to make the process cleaner and more organized. In this case, the workflow would be Tradovate sends data to QuickBooks, and then QuickBooks syncs with Tradify. This approach is more advanced, but it simplifies bookkeeping, improves accuracy, and makes tax reporting easier. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.